But I just thanked Anthony, and I want to thank you too for not mistreating me because I'm a female. Because that happened at another dealership, and I had to get nasty, and I don't want to be nasty. I want to be nice.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Niggas in the state, got some niggas going in, got Philip smiling through the phone. Told me keep my feet up.
Gracias, manito. Yep. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Congrats. Oh my goodness. Another one down, man. Let's go. Hux, can I get a gas card, please?
My experience here was great, and they made something work for me, and now I get to leave with my car today.